years, I've been trying to attend ProFormance Racing School's one-day high-performance driving course, and I finally made it happen. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. The tactics you learn are not only applicable on the racetrack, but also in your daily commute. So without further ado, let's dive in. ProFormance Racing School has been a Pacific Northwest institution since 1994. It was founded by Don Kitch Jr. and his wife Donna, and it became a true family operation since then. But Don's story goes well beyond the school itself. He's a legend in the racing world with over 200 professional starts, plus he's founded Team Seattle and the Heart of Racing team, which has raised more than $3.3 million for Seattle Children's Hospital. Needless to say, learning from someone with that level of expertise was exciting and, yeah, a little intimidating. But the school isn't just for racers. It's for anyone who wants to improve their driving, whether that's on the track or in everyday life. Now, in terms of the program structure, the one-day high-performance driving school is structured in a way that is meant to build your skills step by step. The day is split into several parts: a morning classroom session, hands-on driving drills, and an afternoon lapping session on the track. But with the high performance driving school, it's not just about going fast. It's about gaining control, confidence, and precision wherever you're at. I think a good way to think of it is like a driver's ed on steroids. Like, seriously, I believe everyone should go through something like this, and you'd be amazed how much it could improve your daily driving. So as mentioned, the day kicked off at 8 a.m. sharp with a classroom session where Don covered the fundamentals of high-performance driving. He covered things such as vehicle dynamics, high-end vision, and braking techniques. I thought I knew how to drive already, but spoiler alert, I didn't. As someone with a drifting background, it was wild for me to realize that a lot of the racing techniques, like braking points, are almost the exact opposite of what I was used to. After the classroom session, we hit the track for some guided drills that pushed my reflexes and my car beyond its limit. Some highlights included slalom drills where we maneuvered through cones to refine steering and throttle control, deer or hazard avoidance drills where we reacted to last-second obstacles, which is an invaluable skill in your daily driving, understeer recovery techniques where we understood how to regain control and the importance of keeping your eyes up and where your head's pointed to get out of a skid. And lastly, ABS braking exercises where we slammed on the brakes and learned how to maintain composure and avoid a last-minute obstacle or hazard in the road. And so these drills, I could see how they're invaluable when you're on the track, absolutely. But beyond that, they're even more valuable in your daily drives. I remember when I was 16 and just getting my license, someone pulled out in front of me, and I was able to avoid them, but I had to slam on my brakes, the ABS locked up, and I skidded myself to the right. And all of these drills that they had us do taught us to do that. And so I can't imagine how many less crashes would be on the road if people knew their car as intimately as you get to know your car after doing this course. Then we came in for a quick lunch where Don talked to us about the proper racing line, and then after that we hit the big track for 2-and-2s. 2-and-2s are basically where you ride 2 laps shotgun with an instructor, and they explain the correct racing line and where the braking points are and the different visual cues you should look for, and then 2 laps with you driving and the instructor giving you a lot of coaching.
Look on the tree. At the end, you'll turn and head towards the tree or the orange cone. Keep heading towards it. As you get close to the wall, give it a little right hand input. Also later, I'll take your mirror, not right now, but after lunch. Heading right towards the wall. As we get close, we'll stay 3-4 foot off the wall, waiting for that yellow cone, not drifting to the right. At the yellow, we're going to start our turn and arc right around to the right Jersey barrier. Come around nice and tight, start turning, turn. There you go. Come around to where you basically come right around. You'll be within about 2 feet of this white blend line. Come down nice and straight. Nice smooth application of the brakes. The quicker we go, the earlier we'll brake. Downshift at the end, just like you did. Through the center of the gate.
the moment that everybody had been waiting for. So with the instructor riding along, we hit the PM lapping sessions, and I tackled lap after lap with the instructor by my side. And as mentioned, this was a huge ego check actually, because I thought I was a good driver, but the amount of intimidation there is when you're first getting out onto the track is unreal. And it's a bit humbling also when something that has half the horsepower that you have passes you, and that really highlights how much of a role the fundamentals and your technique plays when you're racing. Anyways, after a few laps, I went on and I started to feel the rhythm. I started hitting my braking points, nailed some apexes, and carried my speed better through the corners. And so by the end, I felt like a completely different driver. So what did I learn? First off, this course is way more intense than an autocross. I was a little bit afraid that this was going to be like an autocross course when I came into it, and it was so much more thrilling and so much different from what I expected. At the same time, this isn't just for racers. The skills you learn here, like emergency braking, skid control, and hazard avoidance, are invaluable for your everyday driving. I've long said that race car style training should be a part of driver's ed, and this program really proves why. At the end of the day, the one-day high performance driving school isn't just about going fast. It's about driving smarter, being safer, and having fun while you're out there. So whether you're an enthusiast looking to improve your track skills or someone who just wants to be a better driver, this course delivers. And if this sounds like something you'd like to do, now's the perfect time to sign up. ProFormance is offering their only ever sale right now. Until Monday, Black Friday, you can get $100 off of their high performance driving school. So head to the link right here on the screen and book your spot. And trust me, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you take this course? Until next time, drive safe and have fun.
Corvette go by on the